Hey everyone. So you want to follow other players on Roblox using your PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4? Unfortunately, there isn't a direct follow button like you might expect on other platforms within the Roblox app on PlayStation. However, the core functionality is still there through the Add Friend feature. First, you'll need to use the search function within the Roblox interface on your PS4 PS5. Type in the exact username of the player you want to connect with. It's vital to get the spelling correct. Once you've found the player, go to their profile. Instead of a follow button, you'll find an add friend option. Send them a friend request. Once they accept, you'll essentially be following them, as you can then see when they are online and what games they are playing. Note, they must accept your request for you to see any of this information. To recap the key takeaway, you follow people by sending them friend requests. There is no follow feature, only friend requests. Okay, so you've sent some friend requests, and now you want to manage your Roblox friends on PS5's PS4. To view your friend list, navigate to the Friends section of the Roblox interface. Here, you'll see all your accepted friends. From this screen, you can click on their profile to see their current activity, like what game they're playing or if they're online. If someone accepts your friend request, but you no longer want to follow their activity, you can remove them as a friend. Go to their profile and select the Unfriend option. This will remove them from your friend list. Now the limitations. Roblox on PlayStation consoles doesn't have all the social features available on other platforms like PC or mobile. You can't see a separate list of followers or following. Your friends list is your main way of tracking people whose activity you want to see. The key takeaway here is that the Friends section is your primary tool for seeing who you are following and managing those connections on Roblox for PS5 PS4. Understanding this limitation will let you get the most out of the platform on your PlayStation.